us a definition of what Tantra is?
Yeah, well, I think it's a huge thing. So it's hard to pin it down to a definition. I think for Tantra, in terms of me, I really think about it in terms of how we relate to other people and how we find that feeling of joy and eros within ourselves and be able to live our lives on a daily basis, feeling that amazing feeling that you might feel when you know, in the throes of sexual passion. You know, for people that very often associate tantra with sex, and that's kind of a normal thing because we've been conditioned to think that way by a lot of what's come through the media and so on. um, and and the sexual aspect is absolutely a part of tantra, but it's so much bigger than that. I mean, it's about intimacy with yourself and understanding yourself, understanding your shadow aspects and being able to work on those so that you spend less time feeling down and more time feeling up and feeling good about yourself. It's about understanding that duality of the world as well, that there are going to be times when bad things happen and when you're down, and being able to ride those emotional waves that occur naturally in life, and have tools to be able to help you through those times. You know, whether they be meditation or being in service to people, things like that. So tantra's, I feel like it's a way of life. Really, it's a way of being able to bring that kind of real love and joy into your heart and being able to spread that out to the world and have love and compassion for everybody that's out there, whether they're, you know, whether it's your partner or family members, or whether it's your barista at the local cafe that you get coffee or from in the mornings. You know, if you live your life from a place of beauty and a place of love and compassion, then that spreads out to the world.
That's really beautiful. And that's not the definition I was expecting you to say at all. So thanks for surprising me.